Hello students, let's take the next topic of ecology, that is biosphere. Biosphere can also called as ecosphere. Biosphere can be defined as all the biotic and abiotic components of earth combined together to make a big ecosystem, that is called as biosphere. In a very simple way, all the ecosystems on earth planet, that includes both terrestrial and also aquatic, all these ecosystems together called as biosphere. Whereas biosphere includes lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere means biotic and abiotic components of earth is called as lithosphere, whereas the total amount of water on earth it is called as hydrosphere, whereas our earth it is covered by gaseous envelope, and this gaseous envelope that covers our earth planet is called as atmosphere. Whereas atmosphere can be differentiated into homosphere and heterosphere, means from earth surface up to 100 kilometers is called as a homosphere, whereas above this 100 kilometers is called as heterosphere. Further differentiated into troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, which is also called as ionosphere, and exosphere. Let us take the first one. The first one is troposphere. Troposphere means from earth surface 8 to 16 kilometers is called as troposphere. Troposphere includes 90% of atmospheric gases. That means out of 100% of atmospheric gases, 90% of atmospheric gases present in troposphere itself. That atmospheric gases includes 78.8% of nitrogen, 20.9% of oxygen, let us take a 21%, whereas 0.03% of carbon dioxide, and rest some trace elements will be there. Whereas as the altitude it increases, the temperature it decreases. So the amount of temperature decrease in the increase of altitude is called as lapse rate. Now the next zone is stratosphere, whereas the stratosphere it lies from 16 to 50 kilometers from this troposphere, and this region wind current will be very fast. That means wind blows very fast over here, whereas this is a layer where ozone layer it exists. Ozone layer means sun it propagates the light, whereas all the light do not comes on the earth. The light which is ranging from 400 to 750 wavelength only can be received by the earth. Remaining all the light it will be reflected, and the ozone is a layer which reflects the remaining wavelength of light. While I am explaining about photosynthesis, I explained it very clearly. Whereas the next layer is mesosphere. Mesosphere ranges from 50 kilometers to 80 kilometers, whereas the next one is thermosphere, which is also called as ionosphere, and it lies from 80 to 150 kilometers, which contains free electrons and ions. This is a layer of atmosphere where you can see satellites will be launched. Whereas the next one is exosphere. It is the outermost layer of atmosphere, whereas it merges with outer space. Hope you understand atmosphere. If any doubts, you can WhatsApp me or you can message me. Hope you are all reading ecology. Take ecology very seriously. It's a very important unit in your NEET syllabus. Thank you so much.